Make sentences. Smile. She has a big smile. Dance. We love to dance. Hungry. I am hungry now. Bright. The sun is very bright. Book. This book is fun. Birthday. Today is my birthday. Flower. A red flower bloomed. Mango. I eat a mango. Small. The puppy is small. Garden. The garden has flowers. She has a big smile. We love to dance. I am hungry now. The sun is very bright. This book is fun. Today is my birthday. A red flower bloomed. I eat a mango. The puppy is small. The garden has flowers.